Can COPD cause sleep apnea? If you or someone you know is dealing with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and wondering if it could be the reason behind sleep apnea, let's break down the connection between these two conditions. COPD is a group of lung diseases that make it hard to breathe, including emphysema and chronic bronchitis. On the other hand, sleep apnea is a condition where you stop breathing for short periods during sleep. While both conditions are serious and affect breathing, they are distinct and not directly caused by one another. Research has shown that having COPD does not directly cause sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is typically caused by factors such as enlarged tonsils, neuromuscular disorders, or obesity, which can block the airway during sleep. However, there is a significant overlap between the two conditions. Many people with COPD also have sleep apnea, and this combination is known as overlap syndrome. This syndrome can make breathing during sleep even more challenging and worsen the symptoms of both conditions. The reasons for this coexistence are largely due to shared risk factors such as smoking, obesity, and heart-related conditions. Smoking, for example, triggers inflammation that can increase the risk of both COPD and sleep apnea. Obesity is another strong predictor, especially for men, where it increases the likelihood of having sleep apnea. In overlap syndrome, the combination of COPD and sleep apnea can lead to more severe health issues, including lower blood oxygen levels, more frequent COPD flare-ups, and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart failure and high blood pressure. So, while COPD itself does not cause sleep apnea, the presence of one condition can make the other more likely, and managing both conditions together is crucial for improving sleep quality and overall health. If you have COPD and are experiencing symptoms like snoring, gasping during sleep, or excessive daytime sleepiness, it's important to discuss these with your healthcare provider to determine if a sleep test is necessary.